Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and here on We Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. Today's video is going to be a deep clean of my ensuite bathroom. As you can see, it is a bit of a state, it's just been neglected. I kind of make sure that I clean my other bathrooms in the house because of course nobody sees this one, so it does kind of get left out. It gathers so much dust and it just needs a good deep clean and a sort out. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been, but I always find it easier to just get into the shower and start cleaning. Here I'm trying to remove the stickers from this wall caddy. I bought these off eBay and I just don't know what I was thinking, but I set them onto the wall and now I can't get them off, so that's going down well. To clean the surfaces in the shower is this Dishmatic filled with Flash bathroom. I love that it's got quite an abrasive sponge and it just helps me give everything a good clean. Sorry, I know this is pretty gross, but there's so much here in the bottom of this shower slide. But it just gets so dusty and filthy. I just need to give it a good clean. I then like to go over the bathroom surfaces again with a spray bottle of Flash, and then I will go into the shower and spray it down with mould and mildew. My bathroom sink is a bit of a state, it just collects so much dirt and it's always usually stained brown because we tip out our coffee cups in here before we carry them downstairs, and the lip marks just get left in the sink, making it look really grim. I really like these Mrs. Hinch minkies. I love that they've got the two different sides to them. I just feel like they always give everything a good oh, what a hopeless case we could be. Oh, what a hopeless place that we're in. But I'm your liability. Next up, I always like to clean the toilet with toilet wipes. I did try and use a cloth before, but I just found it was just a bit gross, and I just like that you can throw these away so that I'm not contaminating anything else. I also like to give it another good spritz with Flash bathroom spray. I always like to give a good slug of Harpic Pine Fresh bleach down the toilet. I love the scent of this one and it always just smells so good. Another Mrs. Hinch hack that I like to use is putting a little drop of Zoflora into the toilet brush holders just to make it smell nice. I then go around all the skirting boards and pick up any dust with a wet wipe. the bottles to my shampoo and any other products, just make sure that they're looking clean. I then move on to doing the bathroom shower screen. This is one of the most tedious jobs. I just feel like I can never get it quite clean as I want it to be. But this is another Mrs. Hinch hack. Fill the sink with hot water and putting a little bit of Sif in it and giving your shower screen a good scrub. The micro particles in the Sif make it easier to remove the grease and grime. I have then washed everything down, and I like to give this shower squeegee and just get all the water off. This cabinet is one of the most annoying things. It always gets so covered in dust and I really can't wait to get rid of it, but we don't really have much storage in this house. Everything's very open plan, so this is definitely needed. I then like to go over our radiator and make sure that there's no dust, so when we put towels on, the towels don't collect dust. I then go around all the skirting boards again and just go over it with some product this time, just to get all the dust and the grime off the floor. I know this is pretty gross, but I also like to give my drains a good clean. These are the things that just get so filthy and disgusting. I always make sure that I clean these every 2 weeks because they build up and they're really gross. I give them a wipe down with a wet wipe, and then I like to soak them in some flash bathroom. I then like to mop the floor, and before I mop the floor I like to take everything out of the bathroom just to make sure that I am actually giving it a really good clean. Before I start mopping, I also like to give everything a good hoover. This is why I like the Dyson, because I just feel like it just gets into all the corners so much easier. Then when I start to mop the floor, I like to put a little bit of Zone Flora into my mop. Then I like to add boiling hot water to make sure that the steam and the heat is killing any kind of bacteria or germs on the floor. I always find that the hot water just makes it so much easier to clean. I then like to organise all my current beauty bits. These are always on rotation, but I like to have my favourites out on display just so that I can quickly grab them. And there we go, guys, my little bathroom speed clean has come to an end. I always feel so much better after just giving everything a good scrub down and making sure that everything is clean. It always makes me feel so much better in my mind knowing that this bathroom has actually been cleaned. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this kind of content, I would love it if you could support my channel by subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!